We're at Popcorn Fetti in Salem, Oregon. I'm attempting a popcorn eating world record. This is 9 pounds almost, just under 140 ounces of fresh made popcorn. It's the size of my torso. I have 30 minutes. All right, so
okay, here's the chocolate.
So tell us about these flavors and what's in this bag.
Okay, so what he's got going on, my son made this bag up for you. So he's got some Oreo, he's got some white chocolate peppermint on the bottom, some regular chocolate, like milk chocolate, and then up here he's got cornfetti, which is kind of our signature candy flavor.
Tell us about that one.
Okay, it's all our candies mixed together. So it's kind of, it's great for the kids, It's,
nice.
Yeah, it's got probably, 8 or 9 different kinds of candy flavors mixed together.
Nice.
And then above that he's got some of the caramel. And then he's got some of our cinnamon toast, which is really awesome. Yeah, and then he's got some hot and spicy cheese right there, which
that was the one that was spicy, and I dug that.
Yeah, and then he's got some pizza flavor for you.
Pizza flavor.
Mac and cheese.
Oh, that sounds good.
And it looks like some kettle corn, some jalapeno, Southwest jalapeno right there for you, and then just some buttery up on top for you.
Nice. I can't wait to do this.
Yeah.
I cannot wait to do this. So, we'll get some pictures and then we'll get started.
Good luck to you.
2, 1, go man, go!
I've never seen a pile of popcorn this big, ever, and I've never had the privilege to try to eat a pile of popcorn this big and this tasty. So I'm about 11 minutes in, and this pile doesn't look like it's getting any smaller. I don't know how I could be eating for 11 minutes and the pile's not getting smaller. So I guess I just have to go and see what happens. My suspicion was right. I'm 13 and a half minutes in eating popcorn and I don't feel full at all. Nothing. I mean, 13 minutes of eating almost anything, you're gonna feel something. Now, nothing. It's just air. I just can't get it down fast enough. Maybe I should stop talking. 10 seconds. Count it down, Aiden. 3, 2. Could I tell the difference between a Hostess cupcake and a Little Debbie cupcake?